Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Queen Egypt, and I'm back with another video. So, in today's video, I'm going to be piercing my nose. Don't ask me why, because I've been wanting one that's one, and I don't feel like going to the place to do it. So, without further ado, we're going to jump right into the video. So, hello. I'm Lowkey scared. Not gonna lie. So, first things first. It is 6:10 right now, and I just got it like a few minutes ago, and I've been trying to set up this mic for the past 30 minutes just to boost up quality in the videos and stuff, So, let me just kind of clean up over here. Hold on. So, first things first, I'm gonna wash my hands, and I'm gonna put on gloves, put alcohol on the gloves, but I'm gonna be super clean with this. So, I'm gonna be right back. Ooh, Okay. Gloves. Sorry. My hands are a bit wet still. Okay. Got gloves. Oh my god, I am nervous as hell, boy. This one for I got some rubbing alcohol here. This one put on the gloves just so I know these are like extra clean. So put rubbing alcohol on my gloves. So this is the piercer, the machine, whatever for it. And I got a 75% rubbing alcohol pad for the nose. So, and I got a pan just to mark my placement. So I'm gonna go get a mirror. Hold on. Alright, so I got my mirror so I can see where I want to do all of this. So, hold on. Okay. I think I'm gonna do it right here. No, I don't like it. Hold on. Long story short, I just switched the pen to a Sharpie because that wasn't working for me. Okay, so I think I got it where I want it to be. Yeah. Okay, so then it goes right there. Yeah. So that's gonna be the placement. Okay, that little dot is right there. Okay. Ooh, hold on. Okay. Whoa! Okay. Ooh, child. Okay. Hold on. Shit. I'm gonna right there. Oh my god. I feel like a dragon. I use rubbing. Got the 75% rubbing alcohol. The mark is still there, so I can see where to put it. And here we go. I'm gonna start doing this now. So this is the kit like I was saying. And just peel this sucker open. Alright. Oh my god, I'm scared. Ooh. Hold on. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh my god. Y'all listen. Ooh. Oh. Fuck. Oh my god. It's not fully in. Fuck. Bro. Why ain't it going in? Why is it not going in? Oh.
Few moments later.
Oh. God. Holy shit. Oh my god. No. That wasn't so bad though. Oh my god. I look cute though. Oh, I'm good. I'm gonna go clean up. My nose is running, but I didn't even tear up though. Like, that wasn't even that bad. I was panicking way too much. But this is cute. I'm gonna go clean up all of this mess right now in the sink, and I'll be right back. Let me take this mic off. Hello. So, got it in. Took about 5 minutes. As you can see, got stuck, so I had to force it in. But the pain overall, I was being dramatic. It wasn't even that bad. I didn't even tear up, nothing. I'm good. I'm Gucci, but this is cute. I like it so much. That was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me over like being really panicky and stuff. Overall, I like it. I like it. It's cute. So I will do an update video on how everything is going, this and that. Maybe like in 2 to 4 months. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to drink your water and care about you, because what health is wealth. Okay, love y'all. Bye.